In this video, I'm going to show you some of the coolest Chrome extensions that can completely change the way you browse the internet. Momentum. This extension provides you with a beautiful and aesthetic new tab page which you can customize to your liking. You can also sign in to save your settings. Next is Checker Plus for Gmail, Google Calendar, and Google Drive. After installing each of them, you will get little shortcut icons up there in the extension section of your browser. When clicked on, you will get a preloaded view of your email, calendar, and drive. You don't have to open a new tab just to check your email after this. Next is Web Activity Time Tracker. This extension helps you to see your browser screen time. Whenever you visit a site, the extension shows a timer displaying how long you have spent on that site. If you click on the extension, you will get a complete breakdown of your browser screen time, showing you how much time you have spent on each website you visited. Next up is the Extension Manager. With this extension, you can manage all your extension easily. One tap fast enable or disable your extensions. It also has dark mode and you can customize everything in its settings. The next extension is Vertical Tabs. This extension gives you a sidebar with all your open tabs arranged vertically. You can search your tabs as you wish. The next extension is Dual List. This extension gives you predefined splits. Clicking them will split the current browser window into a pair and resize their position and size according to the ratio specified. It's useful for quick multitasking and stuff. Next up is the Bookmark Sidebar. If you have lots of bookmarks, your Bookmarks toolbar can become overwhelmed and cluttered very easily. This extension helps you to manage, search, and organize your bookmarks much more easily. You can also customize the sidebar like changing the theme and all in the settings. Next up is Shortcuts for Google. You know that 9-dot grid menu that you get in your Google homepage? This extension gives you exactly that, but in any page by simply clicking on it. You can also customize and organize the placements of the app the way you like. The next extension is Free Auto Text Expander for Google Chrome. This extension allows you to set shortcuts for any text you type repeatedly. For example, I can set a shortcut for IDK and make it expand to I don't know. You can use it for making shortcuts to type your email or passwords and etc. Next up is Days Until Days Countdown. This extension allows you to keep track of the days remaining until a specified date, like any event or deadline. It's a simple way to stay organized and focused on your goals. Next up is DeepL. This extension allows you to translate text by simply highlighting them. It's just like Google Translate but better because the translation is much more natural and human-like. Next up is Cider. This extension gives you a powerful sidebar through which you can interact with AI models. It supports all the popular AI models like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude. It also has OpenClaw integration, a browser agent which can control your browser to perform tasks, image generation tools, translator, writer, and many more tools you can explore. The next extension is Screen Search. This extension allows you to search anything on your screen with Google Lens. Yeah, I know it's already built in Chrome, but a cool feature about this extension is that it gives you this quick search button on YouTube. Clicking on it captures the exact frame and searches it on Google instantly. The next extension is Search by Image. This extension allows you to reverse search any image by right-clicking on it. It supports various search engines such as Google, Bing, Yandex, Baidu, and Tenai. It actually supports up to 30 search engines which you can choose from the extension settings. Next up is Google Dictionary. This extension allows you to simply double-click any word and bring a pop-up with the definition of the word, as well as a speaker icon if you want to hear the pronunciation. Next up is Wikipedia Search. This extension allows you to search anything on Wikipedia directly through the Chrome search bar. Simple yet useful. The next extension is WikiWand. It takes the standard Wikipedia page and turns it into a more modern and functional page. You get a sidebar of different sections formatted nicely at the left side. You also get a variety of tools, including AI tools, at the right side of the page, which you can explore. You can also customize the page, like changing themes, fonts, and many more. Next up is ChatGPT Bulk Delete. It's starting to manually select the chats one by one to delete them. This extension allows you to make a checkbox near the chats which you can check or uncheck and delete the chats easily in bulk. Next up is Colorzilla. This extension gives you an eyedropper tool using which you can get the color readings of any point on the web page. One crazy feature is that you can even pick the colors from outside the browser. Next up is Fonts Ninja. This extension allows you to identify and see all the fonts used in a website. You can also individually see the font properties like name and type of the font, color, and even size of the font when you hover your cursor around the text. Next up is Get Color Palette from website. This extension is as simple as it sounds. It just shows you the entire color palette used in a website. You can change the color format and download the palette in various formats. It also comes with a simple color picker tool to pick colors from the web page. Next up is Go Full Page. This extension allows you to take a screenshot of the full web page in just one click. You can download the screenshot as a PDF or PNG image. Next up is Short Crop. This extension allows you to take a partial screenshot of a web page and instantly edit the screenshot with various tools and save it. Next up is Save Image as Type. You know when you try to download an image and you get this annoying WebP format? Well, this extension allows you to download those images in other formats like JPG, PNG, or even as PDF. The next extension is Image Downloader ImageEye. It's tiring to download images one by one at a time if you want to download images in bulk. This extension scans all the images on the page, and I mean all the images because even some UI elements get added in this massive list, and then it allows you to download all these images at once. The next extension is the QR code generator. This extension converts your current page to a QR code which you can easily download and later share it to people. You can also customize the QR code through this customize page. Next up is Stylish. This extension allows you to set cool themes on various popular websites. This extension's main page has a vast library of themes and skins for many popular sites like Google, YouTube, Wikipedia, and many more. Just by a few clicks, I was able to get this cute cat theme progress bar on my YouTube. You can also edit the install theme or make your own custom theme from scratch. Next up is Custom Cursor for Chrome. This extension allows you to set a cool custom cursor for your browser. It has a large library of custom cursors to choose your favorite cursor from. Clean and easy to use. The next extension is Reader View. This extension gives you the power to enable reading mode on any page you want by just clicking on the extension. You can customize the fonts and appearance and also hear the text to speech audio. The next extension is Google Docs Dark Mode. This extension does what it says. It enables dark mode in Google Docs. It also gives some light customizing options like changing the theme, brightness, contrast, amount of sepia, and grayscale. Next up is Click to Remove Element. This extension allows you to remove any element from the page temporarily or permanently. You can use it to hide annoying elements you don't want to see or show. Next up is CRX Mouse. This extension enables some useful mouse gestures you can use. There are tons of customization options like assigning which action you want with each gesture and many more. The next extension is Keepa. This extension adds price history charts to the Amazon product page. It provides detailed price charts, price drop alerts, and historical sales data, allowing users to make more informed purchasing decisions and avoid overpaying for items. It also shows prices offered by third-party sellers, the cost of used items, and lets you compare the price with other countries. Next up is Temp Mail. This extension provides you with a temporary disposable email address which you can use to sign up to websites and protect your original email from spam, bots, or privacy leaks. The next extension is Print Friendly. This extension converts any web page into a clean, printer-friendly PDF. You can edit the PDF, highlight the text, and delete elements and then download the PDF file to your device. The next extension is Wayback Machine. This extension allows you to see old versions of websites. You can find snapshots of the websites from the past and see how the site looked like. It's extremely useful if you want to check how a page changed or find information that was deleted. The next extension is Bonjour. This extension gives you a minimalist iOS-inspired new tab page. You can customize it and make it even prettier to your liking. Next up is Voxel 3D. This extension allows you to play this cute offline speedrunning game packed with challenging levels, custom skins, mods, etc. Next up is Free Time Games. This extension lets you enjoy some of your favorite games such as Flappy Bird, Pac-Man, and Tetris, which you can instantly play in your free time or whenever you're bored. Next up is Reboost. This extension will periodically remind you to drink some water and stay hydrated. You can select the beverage, set the volume, check the logs, and set a daily goal. Next up is Truffle Piggy. This extension lets you quickly search selected text across different websites. Simply highlight any text on a web page and a small pig icon will appear. Clicking the icon opens a menu of websites and selecting one will instantly search for the highlighted text on that site. You can also customize the menu by adding websites from a large collection of supported options, making it easy to access the services you use most often.